Humility is key to success, so as everything else you desire. Dream chasing is what I like to call it. I like to call it dream chasing because when you dream chase, you going after something that you thought was unattainable. So once you go after something and then you achieve it, it gives you that feeling like you can do something better with yourself, better with everything else that goes on in your life. So the fact that I call myself a dream chaser isn't anything out of the ordinary. It's just something normal for me. I choose to call myself a dream chaser not only because one of my favorite artists record label is called Dream Chasers. It's because that when you're a dream chaser, you like it's like you're a hero. You're a hero to yourself. You're a hero to your family, knowing it or not. It's because it's just how you look at things. And if you look at things in a perspective where, oh, a dream chaser or this, and that is wrong, you're always holding yourself back. You gotta look at everything you do as no boundaries. So when you see no boundaries, that means that you can achieve anything you want. So shout out to Double MG because they helped me through a lot of stuff. So like when I was depressed, I listened to Wale. When I was like in a good street feeling mood, I listen to Meek. When I feel just cool and want to feel like big people can be straight, I listen to Ross. So shout out to Double MG. So I just wanted to say, just follow your dreams and do what you think is best for you. Don't listen to all the haters and all the perpetrators and all the people that don't want to listen. Do what you will. Do what your heart desires because everything else will follow right behind. Have a good day.